Hello friends, have you noticed your brake lights staying on even when you're not pressing the pedal? Or maybe they're not turning on at all? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0537, this means there's an issue with the AC evaporator temperature sensor circuit low voltage. Ignoring this can lead to AC system failures, uncomfortable cabin temperatures, and even potential engine strain. In this video, I'll explain what P0537 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0537? The P0537 code stands for AC Evaporator Temperature Sensor Circuit Low Voltage. This means that the engine control module, ECM, is receiving a low voltage signal from the evaporator temperature sensor, which is responsible for monitoring the temperature of the refrigerant inside the evaporator core. Common symptoms of P0537: AC not cooling properly or blowing warm air, AC compressor cycling on and off frequently, high cabin humidity or fogging windows, check engine light or AC warning light on unusual AC system behavior like weak airflow. If you notice these symptoms, let's locate the faulty sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0537, check these key components: AC evaporator temperature sensor, location, inside the HVAC unit, near or inside the evaporator core, usually behind the dashboard, AC compressor and clutch, location, front of the engine, driven by the serpentine belt, HVAC control module, location, behind the dashboard, controls the climate system, wiring harness and connectors, location, runs from the evaporator sensor to the ECM and HVAC module. Tip: a faulty evaporator temperature sensor can lead to inconsistent cooling, affecting passenger comfort. Common causes of P0537: faulty AC evaporator temperature sensor. The sensor may be damaged or sending incorrect signals. Wiring or connector issues. Loose, corroded or broken wires can disrupt the sensor signal. HVAC control module malfunction. The module might not be interpreting sensor data correctly. Refrigerant issues. Incorrect refrigerant levels can cause sensor misreadings. ECM or electrical faults. In rare cases, a software issue or module failure can cause P0537. How to fix P0537. Step 1. Scan the system with an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0537 code. Step 2. Locate the evaporator temperature sensor inside the HVAC unit. Step 3. Check wiring and connectors for any loose, corroded or damaged connections. Step 4. Test the sensor using a multimeter. If it's out of range, replace it. Step 5. Inspect the HVAC control module for faults or software updates. Step 6. Recharge or drain the refrigerant if pressure levels are incorrect. Step 7. Clear the code and test the AC system to ensure proper function. If you ignore P0537, your AC system may fail, leading to discomfort and potential damage to the HVAC components. Fixing it early will keep your car cool and running efficiently. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0324, knock control system error. P0325, knock sensor circuit malfunction. Like, share and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.